see the Canadian wildfire smoke a little bit more today. You can smell it little bit. There's no one down there playing pickleball tonight. Unless there are boats down there every year, it stinks. Yeah, air conditioners going on. Mr. Attitude Cat. Here's Mr. Attitude Cat. Well, Phoenix, I'm showing them the wildfire smoke. That's the bridge right there. I know some of it's humidity, hazy in the air, but some of it's smoke too. Over and out to the next one. She cheated with Jake. She cheated with Jake. Once a cheat, always a cheat.